这一节我们讲最热门的 AI 工具。既然是 AI 工具，请记住，那就是傻瓜式的，不需要说明书，不需要讲一堆东西，你直接打开，直接闭上眼睛，来回拖就可以了。就像你当年用手机那么简单，记好了，它没有什么操作难度，你只要登录上去的，你就一定会用。我再说一遍，你只要登录上去，你就一定会用。但是重点是你自己一定要下场亲自玩，亲自玩。你任何的千言万语都比不过你自己去操作几下得到的那种震撼的感觉。你自己想要学会游泳，就绝对不能够只在岸上去练什么狗刨姿势。明白这个，我再补充2点。第一，很多软件需要你有一个海外的电脑，这个要你自行去解决，我不能教你，原因你懂的。第二，软件注册的问题，很多人英文不好，对操作呢也不是很熟悉。我的建议就是3个字：模块化。打开淘宝，打开拼多多，一堆卖你账号的，几十块钱去买一个就行了。甚至还有一些直接连接什么 API 接口里的，百度里面搜一下就有很多，直接给你做到微信接口或者浏览器里面，非常的方便，几十块钱。这些事情，尤其这种细节的、确定结果的，又要花时间去摸索的东西，一定要直接模块化去付费。几十块钱节省的是你几个星期甚至1-2个月的精力。但是如果你有时间，那么你就直接去看它的英文说明就好了。我们在这里只是展示一下它的基本的操作和用法。你知道，如果要深度的去学习的话，你需要花很多时间去摸索，而这个课程最主要的是启蒙，是让你看到这个世界有多大，这个更大的世界长什么样子，你先看到更大的世界才能够去抵达。我们先说第一个重点 ChatGPT， 这个不用讲了吧，很多人知道 AI 就是从 ChatGPT 开始的，之前也听说过，但是一直没有感觉，对吧？直到这个 ChatGPT 出来，这个名字都很难记，他把它记住了，因为这个直接颠覆了他对之前 AI 的理解。我们之前已经讲过很多了，我们现在只是简单的去看一个宣传片，关于 GPT-4 的。
GPT-4 takes what you prompt it with and just runs with it. From one perspective, it's a tool, a thing you can use to get useful tasks done in language. From another perspective, it's a system that can make dreams, thoughts, ideas flourish in text in front of you.
GPT-4 is incredibly advanced and sophisticated. It can take in and generate up to 25,000 words of text, around 8 times more than ChatGPT. It understands images and can express logical ideas about them. For example, it can tell us that if the strings in this image were cut, the balloons would fly away.
This is the place where you just get turbocharged by these AIs. They're not perfect, they make mistakes, and so you really need to make sure that you know the work is being done to your level of expectation. But I think that it is fundamentally about amplifying what every person is able to do.
GPT-4 training finished last August, and everything that's been happening in the past few months up until we've released it has been a giant sprint to make it safer, more aligned, and also more useful. We have put in already a lot of internal guardrails around things like adversarial usage, unwanted content, and privacy concerns. And when we release a model, we know things are not done. We know we have to learn. We know we have to update. We know we have to keep improving all the systems around it to make it suitable for society.
To me, the most compelling use cases of these technologies will come from starting with a real human need. The obvious one where these systems have really incredible potential is in education.
GPT-4 can teach a huge range of subjects. Imagine giving a 5th grader a personal math tutor with unlimited time and patience. It's a great tool to bring learning to everyone in a way that is personalized to their skill level.
GPT-4 brings the dream of having the most useful, helpful assistant to life. It's really about adding as much value to everyday life as possible.
The partnership that OpenAI has with Microsoft is to shape this technology into something that's going to be useful for the world.
The power of AI, hopefully, is that it can help us be more productive, which ultimately leads to better quality of life.
The development of the transistor, of the computer, of the internet, the semiconductor industry, all the programming languages, everything came together to produce AI technology. And while it is very limited, it is already easy to imagine what the impact of a successor many generations down the line will look like.
We think that GPT-4 will be the world's first experience with a highly capable and advanced AI system. So we really care about this model being useful to everyone, not just the early adopters or people very close to technology. So it is really important to us that as many people as possible participate so that we can learn more about how it can be helpful to everyone.
第二个重点呢是 Midjourney 和 Stable Diffusion。Midjourney 和 Stable Diffusion 呢，这两个都是 AI 绘画软件。Midjourney 的商业收费版的功能很强大，而且使用非常的简单。Stable Diffusion 呢是开源免费的，它可以自己去训练模型，然后微调出图风格，它的玩法很多变。很多人利用 Stable Diffusion 来训练各种模型，比如说水墨的真人、二次元的复古，导入这些训练好的模型，就可以输出相应风格的照片。那这两个软件有什么区别呢？打个比方你就明白了。Midjourney 是自动挡， Stable Diffusion 呢是手动挡。你要是想入门简单，就直接买一个 Midjourney， 买一个它的会员就可以完成很多的图片业务。但是如果你不想花钱，自己有时间去研究，你就安装一个免费版的 Stable Diffusion 就可以了。几乎 99% 的图片利用这两个软件都可以搞定。第三个重点是 AutoGPT， 这个新出来不久，很多人觉得它的潜力并不弱于 ChatGPT。你把一项任务交给它，让它自己想办法自动执行计划，它会主动去访问互联网，查找有用的资料，然后经过处理之后呢，把结果返回给你。比如说你让它写一个网站的代码，它就可以主动分析任务的需求，然后去编写程序。第四个重点是 Notion， 这是一个非常不错的写作软件，它可以帮助你非常高效的去写作。比如说它可以自动去寻找数据，生成图片，可以进行 AI 写作，可以修改错别字，可以自动对文章的内容进行总结，甚至有非常方便的一键拖动，效率极高。如果你经常去写作，用这个软件效率有可能会提高2倍以上。第五个重点是 ClipDrop。ClipDrop 是一个设计神器，它是利用 AI 技术实现了快速精准抠图、智能识别修图、图片高清放大和智能立体打光，也可以把现实当中的图片一键拖到设计图，让设计师可以从繁琐复杂的设计当中解脱出来，一些原本不可能实现的后期也可以轻松的实现。来，我们看一个演示动画。最后有3个词叫 try for free， 免费去试一下，打开网站就能玩啊。我们再看一个实际操作的案例，好不好？
Let's add some elements to this mood board using ClipDrop. First, let's load the mobile app and let's take a picture of our jacket. I can adjust the viewport, tap to take the picture, and just like that, we have our jacket. And now I can paste it anywhere I want on this document. Let's say, for instance, here. Okay, it's been imported. And what we can see is that there is the mask here, which is non-destructive, which means that we can double-click and now adjust it. Remove, for instance, this part. Maybe that part as well. Adjust the edges a little bit, the contrast of the mask, and there we go. We have our jacket nicely extracted. Let's put it here. Okay. Now, let's add a sketch from the sketchbook of the same collection. So again, I frame it, tap, and now I can paste it. For instance, here. There. Let's resize it a little bit. And let's put it here. Okay. Now, let's add something that we don't have in this room. For instance, a fox. So I go on the web and search for fox. Let's pick one that we like that would match nicely. How about this one? Yes, great. So I can go on the ClipDrop icon and select Clip. Now I just select my fox, and here it is. Clip drop extracted it. And see how the hair has been preserved nicely on the tail here. Now we can just go back to Photoshop and simply drag and drop our fox on the mood board. Scale it down a little bit. And let's put it here. Great. Finally, let's add some text, some inspirational quote or poem. So let's go back on the web and let's search for Poem Autumn. Let's go and see if we find one in the images that we like. How about that one? Yes, beautiful. So this time, we'll go again on the clip drop icon, but we select text, and this will extract the text from any image. For instance, there. I can simply now copy it to the clipboard. Go back to Photoshop, get the text tool, and paste it. And here we go. We have our mood board completed in a few minutes using clip drop.
什么感觉？什么感觉？你是不是之前不知道这玩意儿可以这么玩，对吧？你不知道这个世界上有你不知道的，你就不会去学。这个就是我们这个 AI 启蒙课的作用，去打开更大的世界。你不知道这个世界上有汽车，你所有的选项都是一匹更快的马，对吗？好，第6个重点是 Chat PDF。据说是科研工作者的福音，你上传科研论文 PDF 可以让 ChatPDF 快速的去总结文章的内容、创新点、贡献点，还有实验结果。下面就是一个例子，你上传一个英文的论文给他，我们要求 ChatPDF 用中文来解释一下论文的内容，几句话他就把这个论文的核心给你讲清楚了，从基本的原理到实验的方法及论文的结果，只需要几秒钟出了结果。你要知道，这篇论文算上补充材料有20多页，你自己想弄清楚怎么也得半个小时到40分钟，对吧？但是你用这个软件的话，几秒钟就搞定了。你甚至去问他这篇论文的作者都有谁，他都能够去回答出具体的名字，并且指出论文当中的具体位置。更多的我们就不列举了，因为随时有新的 APP 出来，我给你一个网址，你可以自行去研究一下，这个里面包含了市场上主流的 AI 应用。我这里只想说一句，想把 AI 学好，最重要的不是学，而是用，而是玩，拿在手里玩，瞎玩，疯狂玩，然后你就会了。